right, that's our romaine lettuce in our 9x13. I have some turkey deli meat that I diced up that we're gonna put right on the front half of our pan, just like so. We have some diced cherries that we're gonna put right along the side of our turkey meat. Now, if you don't like turkey, you could do chicken or ham, whatever deli meat you like. All right, that looks beautiful. I have 6 hard-boiled eggs that I diced that we're gonna put right next to our cherries for this delicious all-in-one pan, easy peasy lunch. Beautiful. I have 3 avocados that I diced that we're gonna put next to our eggs, just like that. Oh my goodness, the avocado looks absolutely incredible. We have everyone's favorite cheese, blue cheese crumbles. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna put this right here next to our avocado, all in its corner. Let's make sure you get all of that out. Now, if you don't like blue cheese, you can use feta or a cheddar, whatever you want. Last but not least, we have 10 slices of bacon that I cut up that we're gonna put in our last corner for our easy lunch. All these flavors come together so beautifully. You guys are gonna want to try this dish. All right, now that we have this all together, I'm gonna come to the side and bring in a measuring cup, and I have some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna do a generous amount of olive oil right in there. We're gonna do about 1/4 a cup of olive oil in our measuring cup, and then we're gonna do 1/4 a cup of avocado oil. Now, if you have a preference, you can do 1 cup or 1/2 cup of just one of them, but I think the mixture of the two just complement this salad very, very well. And then we're gonna add a little bit of our red wine vinegar to this, and we're just making a dressing for this delicious little Cobb salad that we're making. And look how fun that red vinegar looks in our oil, little droplets. And I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard, and that's just gonna add some good tang. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, but you can add as much as you like, depending on how thick you want your dressing. We have some minced garlic, and you guys know I love my garlic, so I had to use that. And I'm just gonna use kind of whatever's left in this. Perfect. But if you don't like raw garlic, you can just do garlic powder. And then finally, we're gonna just do some onion powder. And generally, I would put pepper in this too, but I'm all out today, so no pepper. I'm gonna grab my whisk, and it's time to mix this together. All right, and you can double this dressing if you want it to be extra drenched, but I don't like my salad too dressed, so I'm gonna keep it at my measurements. And now it's time to drizzle our dressing right on top of everything. Make sure it just seeps down to all of that romaine lettuce. Come in with our spoon and get all of that garlic mustard out. Beautiful. All right, I put on my food grade gloves because this is gonna be a messy one, and we are going to toss our salad. Get everything mixed together, super easy. Obviously, you can do this in a bigger bowl, or you can do it with a spoon, but this is how I like to do it, and this is what works for me in my kitchen. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything gets well combined in our large 9x13. All right, that's all mixed. We can take our gloves off, and now it is time to give this a taste test, our delicious Cobb salad. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It honestly looks perfectly dressed. Oh, all that goodness, you gotta make sure you get all of it. Beautiful. This is gonna be so good. Great for Thanksgiving, great for holiday parties, great for, honestly, any day. This is incredible.